Okay, so this is just some video directions on how to complete your Roaring Twenties project. So your project directions are right here on this link, and it's going to open up your directions for this assignment. If I can get it to open up, there we go. So what you're going to do is choose one of these 9 options to complete your 1920s project. You pick which one you want to do. You're only doing one. So these are your options you can do: a diary entry, a newspaper ad, political cartoon, comic strip, crossword puzzle, timeline, PowerPoint presentation, an interview that could be done with by making a movie using Flipgrid or something different, or a digital collage. So you are going to pick one of these options to complete. This is a 20-point product assignment, and it is due Wednesday regardless of if I see you on Mondays or Tuesdays. This project is due Wednesday, December 23rd. So that is when it is due. Couple of things that are really important for when you submit it. First, make sure that you're uploading the correct assignment document. There was a lot of problems when we did our Gilded Age technology project. A lot of you uploaded the wrong document. You either uploaded the directions or you uploaded a different assignment. So please make sure that you're uploading the correct document that you want. So maybe you could even rename your project. You're probably not doing it on the same paper, but you could rename your project with your name and 20s project. So like for mine could be like Morris 20s project or something like that. But I should not see this pop back up when I click on your document. The other thing you need to do is to make sure that if you're doing this on Google Docs or Google Slides, that's fine. But you have to save it first. You can't just copy and paste the link and put that into your assignment. That I can't access that. There's no way for me to access that. So instead, you just need to save it. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I have up a sample Google Docs. It would be the same thing for Google Slide. And first, you're going to name it something that has to do with your project. So like I said, maybe you can name it your name, Morris 20s project. And once you've done that, we know that you're definitely going to select the correct document to upload instead of just uploading the directions. So the way that you do this is you go to File and you go to Download. And over here, you're going to download it either as Microsoft Word, or you can even download it as a PDF. Either one is fine. So if you did Microsoft Word, it'll pop up as Microsoft Word document right here. And then that is what you will upload. Over here, and then this is what you would upload to the project, or you could download it as a PDF. And then once you download it as a PDF, you just click the download button, you give it its name, and then you can also just upload that for your project. So either way, that's how you're going to submit the assignment. And I'm not able to show you how to submit the assignment from my perspective here, but if you go into this video, this is the same video I did on how to submit the Gilded Age technology assignment. Other than it being a different title, it's the same exact process. So you can use this video right here to show you how to submit it if you're a little unsure how to upload your document. All right, so please, if you have a question, please let me know. This is due for everybody on December 23rd, and you will have almost 2 entire class periods to work on it. So I am expecting some really good quality work. All right.